I just won $, actually more than that.
Good morning. We're coming to you a little late today. It's about 10:45 a.m. We've been up since 5 though. We got up this morning to do a little ship tour and some laundry.
Yep. But as soon as we walked out of our room at 5:30 this morning, the door slammed and we looked at each other and we realized we forgot our room keys. So we were locked out and we couldn't do our laundry.
Because to be able to do laundry, you need to be able to use your room key.
So we had to wait for somebody at guest services, and as soon as they got our card working again, we came back upstairs and we did get to do some laundry. So we're gonna go back in time for a second so you guys can see the laundry process, and then we'll meet back up with you here shortly. So we decided to come down early in the morning to do some laundry before everybody wakes up.
Yep. It goes washing machine, dryer, washing machine, dryer, washing machine, dryer. We need to get some fabric softener, even though we brought our own pods for the washing machine. So to get that, you just tap your sealing sign. So we get ourselves a little box of Snuggle fabric softener to add.
Oh. Okay, so it looks like you put your laundry in first on this.
Close the machine door. Machine number 1.
Little green light indicates it's on.
Welcome back.
There's a lot of stuff going on around the ship this morning, so we're gonna try to hit some of that stuff out. There's towel folding, there's trivia, there's bingo, there's something called a parachute drop that we've never seen before, so.
We're gonna go try and have some more fun. It's our last day, we're kind of bummed, but we're gonna make the most of it we can.
Yep, we're still on vacation right now, so we're trying not to get too sad. So we're chilling in the Ocean Plaza right now, about to do some toweling.
Yeah, got our towel, now it just needs to turn into an animal.
We're just gonna share one set and try to do it. I don't know. See how well we can follow directions.
It's probably not gonna go very well at all.
Probably not.
Shake it. Shake a little towel. That's right. Shake a little towel. I lay that little towel, wash it, and nice and even down to it. Oh, so.
Raise it in the air, Amanda. And wave it like you just don't care.
All right, put it down.
It looks like they still have the groove for St. Jude going on right now. Looks like this is the line for Guy's Burgers right here. What about tacos? There's no line for tacos. A burger sounds good, but a line that's non-existent sounds even better.
The fish today's super crispy, super hot, flaky. It's really good today. So I just won $300, actually more than that on Tarzan again. Yeah, $320 on Tarzan again. Geoff told me not to sit down at it. Sat down for a spin, got a bonus, I won $300. So now we're ahead $1,000, just over 1,000 actually. So we're gonna keep playing it. Hopefully we don't lose too much more, but we're still gonna walk out ahead on this cruise. So we're sitting here at bingo waiting for it to start.
Yeah.
$5,000 bingo.
It's gonna be us, guys.
We got our free bingo ticket from Deal or No Deal right now, so that's all we're playing right now.
It's kind of small.
Like something else.
I've also got my bingo tablet doing all the work up on stage. Everybody say hi, Vanna. Hi, Vanna. Vanna does all the heavy lifting for me. She picks the numbers, she verifies the cards, so make sure you blow her kisses so she gives you extra luck, all right? B7. Ooh, that's...
So I think we got to bail on bingo a little early.
We're gonna head out to the parachute toss thing.
Parachute drop?
Yeah.
Or at least try to sign up for it, but my parents are gonna finish our card and see. So we're gonna head out here in a few minutes.
Maybe John and I can win our $5,000 for us.
62. 4th of July was amazing.
I know.
How many of y'all came up and hung out with us on Lido?
So we left bingo early so that we could try and sign up for the parachute drops. Hopefully we'll be one of the first people in line because I think we have something we want to do immediately after this too. So let's keep our fingers crossed that we can at least get in on it a little bit.
So we had full intentions of playing this parachute game. We even signed up for it, but Alvin said it was going to take a long time. We already had reservations for this movie.
Yeah, we're gonna go see the National Parks Adventure. It's like a 45-minute film.
Oh, it was $16 for two of us.
Yep.
You have to have your folio number, and then you put your birth date and your month in.
Yep.
So we're here now waiting. This is Geoff trying out the seats. What do you think? Fluffy, friendly, approved?
Absolutely. And they lean back.
That is nice. Lots of legroom too. Well, my only complaint about the movie is I feel like it wasn't very 3D, like advertised.
No, it definitely, I don't know. The glasses were kind of cheap.
I don't know if it was the glasses or just the way the movie was made, but there was only like 5 parts that were like really 3D. Like there was only a couple parts that was actually like popped out, and it was like a couple titles and like a mountain and a tree. That was it.
Yeah.
It was still a really good movie.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, I think we both agree that we liked that National Parks documentary. It was really good. I think it's an older one, so maybe you've seen it before in your own IMAX, but I thought it was pretty good. It was about 45 minutes long.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It made me just wish that we could go and do more of our national parks.
About 3/4 of the ones that they actually mentioned we've been to.
But so we're back in the room. We're gonna get freshened up and get changed for dinner. We're gonna try Jiji's Asian Kitchen tonight.
Yeah, nothing in the MDR sounded that great, so Geoff convinced me to make reservations for Jiji's. We've never been, so.
Yeah, I've been wanting to try it for 3 cruises now.
Yeah, so. You keep on asking, so I think we're gonna go try it. It's $18 a person.
Yep.
But yeah, it's one of their specialty restaurants. Top 3 things with Jeffy. Bathroom edition.
So my top 3 things for the bathroom that I absolutely need on every cruise. First, baby wipes. After a long day, if you know, you know. And no, I don't flush them down the toilet. They get put in a sanitary bag into the garbage. Secondly, you have to have Febreze because something on this cruise ship does something to you that just isn't pleasant at all. Number 2, Febreze. Last but not least, my third thing I absolutely need on a cruise ship is this wonderful bathroom organizer. I don't know if that's what that's really called, but without that, our bags would just be a jumbled mess.
And that's top 3 things with Jeffy, bathroom edition.
Alright, so one thing Amanda and I really like to do when we're on a cruise is we like to do our own laundry before we go home. Something we're not really prepared for is we're going to Mardi Gras in a couple months for 14 days, and we don't really want to pack 2 weeks worth of clothes, but they don't have a self-serve laundry machine on that ship at all. It's all housekeeping does it for you. To wash your clothes here on the Horizon, it is $3.50 for a washer and $3.50 for a dryer. And then also it's $2 for soap and $2 for fabric softener. So as you guys can tell, I'm a pretty big guy. I got 8 t-shirts here, or 8 shirts in general. One of my shirts could probably fit about 3 normal sized people in them. So we're gonna try our best to get as many shirts as we can in this little bag that is smaller than my torso. It is $15 per bag or $50 for 5 to be able to do laundry. So let's see how many shirts we can get inside of this bag and see if it's worth doing laundry on the Mardi Gras. So I'm kind of going with a rolling technique here to try and get as many shirts in as possible in these bags, because if I just threw them all loosey-goosey in there, I don't think I'd get more than 3 or 4 in. And here is 8. And I think that's where we're gonna probably call it, because the bag is almost full. There we are, guys. 8 t-shirts inside this bag. If I do that, I can still kind of press it and maybe roll it shut. So if you guys ever done laundry service on the Mardi Gras, let us know, because the 4 of us haven't. Amanda got some sun.
We're headed to Jiji's right now. It's on 11, so we're headed there now. I've never tried it.
Alright, here we are.
Deck 11.
So Jiji's is a family style restaurant, so we're gonna choose 2 appetizers, 2 entrees, 2 sides, and then our desserts are individual. So we've already chosen kind of what we want, so we're gonna check off the boxes. I think Ohio is haunting us.
Get that out of here. Ohio needs to go away
Not on our table.
forever.
So I guess that thing I was making fun of that said Ohio, it's actually Mandarin letters, and it means Jiji's, when Jiji's means good luck. That's what the restaurant's named after, good luck. So.
So what do you think of the dumplings and pot stickers?
Dumplings, 10 out of 10. Whatever the Jiji sauces, super good. I think they were the dumplings. The other ones were really good too, but I would give that like a 7.5 out of 10. Very good, but not as good as the dumplings.
Okay, so the dumplings, I'd say it was like a 9.5 out of 10. And the pot stickers was like an 8.9 out of 10. I really enjoyed both of them.
Yeah.
If that was just my meal and I had 6 more plates of each of those, I'd be a very happy person. Okay, so the Kung Pao chicken and pepper beef were absolutely phenomenal. Both pieces of meat were absolutely tender and melt in your mouth. The hot and spicy fries were phenomenal as well. They had just the right amount of kick. And then the fried rice was kind of lacking, but it was the safe choice that we chose.
It was delicious. I was worried about the beef being tough. It was so melt in your mouth. So delicious.
Yep.
You can be lucky today regarding your creative talent, and you could help make this a reality by commenting, and subscribing to our YouTube channel.
Your life will be filled with sunshine. Aw, mine already was. Go check out our sunshine vlog right after this series.
Well, we ended up going to the casino for the last time on this cruise. We ended up $807 ahead. So
Yep.
I'd say that's another lucky run for the Mittens. What do you think?
Absolutely. Hopefully Bridgette will get her day on the Mardi Gras here in November.
I hope so, Bridgette. I think you're going to win big. I really do. We want to thank everybody who took the time to come up and say nice things about Tim, Bridgette, Geoff, and I.
Absolutely.
We really appreciate the support.
So the next time we'll be cruising, all 4 Mittens will be reunited.
Yeah.
We'll be doing a back-to-back during Thanksgiving on the Carnival Mardi Gras.
Yep. 14 days.
Yeah, and if anybody is going to be on that cruise, or you guys stopped, said hello, leave a comment down below and just let us know, what's going on.
Say hi to us. We really appreciate everything you guys have done for us. So.
Yeah, absolutely. Every time somebody comes up to us and talks to us, it makes this a little bit easier to do.
Well, with that being said, I think this journey has come to the end. Like we said, we really enjoyed our time in the Horizon, but our bags are packed by the door, and it's time for us to say goodbye for now. And if you haven't checked out our Sunshine series with Tim and Bridgette, click right here and check them out right now. And leave us your feedback. Until next time, see you guys.
See ya.